Oh, nice one. Quickly, I don't know if you saw that. We'll hide that. Yay. The last bag luck. Okay, so episode 94. Episode 94 of this book, this 50p book. I'm going to go to 100 and then I'm going to start a brand new book. So, what are we going to find today? Let's get started. First bag. Rip it open. And the very first commemorative we find is a 2017 Peter Rabbit. Fair enough. We'll start with a 17. Hopefully we get some 18s. Or a 2016, what's her name? What's her chops? What's her? Jemima Puddle Duck. Yeah, that's right, isn't it? Oh dear. There we go. A Victoria Cross Heroic Acts. What is that? A bit of pen on my finger. When I signed the last Benjamin Bunnies, which was only a few minutes ago, I'm filming this back to back with the last hunt. So I signed my Benjis and chucked them back into the pot, send them back to the bank, and hopefully they find their way, never eat shredded wheat, find their way west to Cardiff and to Rich H. Hopefully he finds one of my Benjamin Bunnies like I found one of his. That was cool. Anyway, second bag. Now, we're looking for commemorative coins. We're looking for Olympics, of course. It'd be nice to find some more 70th anniversary Queen's Jubilee coins. Britannia's not really looking for. There is the year 2008, which is low mid year. Yeah, okay, pretty cool. I've got plenty of them. I'm really looking for a 2020 shield. Maybe that is my first 2020 shield. We'll come back to that. What I don't want to find is too many 2019 shields because they're just too common. The other years we're looking for is the years 2009, 10 and 11. 16, 18. They're all NIFC years. If we could find some, like say, a 2020 or a 21 or a 22, that'd be cool find. Not too many Benjamin Bunnies, please. 2017 again. Like I say, hopefully this 2020 is my first 2020 shield. It's more likely going to be a Brexit or diversity. It's a diversity, so okay, whatever. Cool to find, I guess. Never mind. So hang on a second. It really is 2020, and we are in 2022 now, aren't we? So we've had no more new coins in circulation apart from this 70th anniversary, have we? I know that for a fact. I know that's, you know, obvious, but it seems weird to say out loud that you haven't had any more coins since 2020 in 2 years. Bizarre. Oh well. Libraries. Oh wowee. Oh my word. I'm not really sure if I've ever noticed the actual detail or the scuffed sort of surface on the tennis ball itself. Don't know if I've ever really noticed that. Anyway, I love the nets. I love the sports with the nets. So volleyball, tennis, I like all that. I don't know why, they're my favourite designs of coin. Where was I? Yes, so diversity. Yeah, so we found 2 Olympics last week. So hopefully we find 3 or more Olympics this week. That would be amazing. Pretty damn cool. Wowee, a bit of a drought there, lots of bust bags, but we finally found a Battle of Britain and we're keeping our fingers crossed that this is an IRB. You get 2 portraits on these Battle of Britons. You get one that's Jodie Clark. Sorry, one sec. That one rolled right off the table. Yeah, so there's the one that went into circulation, which is the Jodie Clark portrait. There's one that was in the collector's packs, which is the Ian Rank Broadley portrait. If you find an Ian Rank Broadley portrait, someone has been very naughty and broken that out of a set and just put it back into circulation, spent it. So here we go, 1, 2, 3. It's a JC, Jodie Clark portrait. There you go. I was so used to playing with American coins that I flipped it over like that. Of course we should do them like that. There we go, just a JC, but it's cool to find a Battle of Britain. I don't find that very often, so yeah, and it's been a bit of a drought, so we've had a good 4 or 5 bags in a row with nothing. Let's crack on and fingers crossed we find something amazing. Well, I wouldn't say amazing, but it's cool to find a Tom Kitten. Old Spooky Eyes, 2017. So if we find Jeremy Fisher, we've done the 17 set. There we go, found a Battle of Hastings. Yeah, semi-cool. It's alright. Ah! Alright, there we go. That's something. Britannia, but it is a 2008 Britannia. You have to really double check them because the 2003 Britannia can very much look like... Ah, not that one. Where'd he go? There we are. Stop it! A 2003 Britannia can look very similar to an 8. There we go. 2008 Britannia. See, look, I do check for dates. Not as good as I should, or not as well as I should, but I do. There we go, dictionary. Yeah, moving swiftly on. Okay, last bag. So many bus bags, it's unbelievable, really is. This is probably going to be quite a short video because so many bus bags that I've just whizzed past. So we found one Olympic in those bus bags. Oh, that's nice. Let me just finish this hand, this stack, and we'll go back to that. Yeah, 2008 Britannia. Oh, nice one. Quickly, I don't know if you saw that. We'll hide that. Yay! The last bag luck. Now, can I show you a bit of that without revealing? So we found Benjamin Britten, if the camera will focus, but that's an Olympic under that. So Benjamin Britten, above face value, a cool coin to find. Not my favourite design. It's a bit too cluttered for me. A lot going on there, but that's a cool find, especially today with all the bus bags. But in the last bag, I mean the last 4 or 5 coins, 2011 Olympic coin, and we'll spin it over, and it is an absolute beauty of a gymnastics. How cool is that? That is a very nice coin. Lovely. Very nice. So 2 Olympics last week, 2 Olympics this week. Come on, we need 3 Olympics. I'm never happy. I am never happy, ever, ever. Right. Yeah, Starfind then. Well, the 2008 Britannia, I have a few of these, so I'm going to put this back into the wild. Obviously, all that is going back to the wild, even the Benjamin Britten. I'll sign the bunnies, the 1 Tom Kitten and the 3 Pete Rabbits can go back. And all that can go back to the wild as well. Starfind, I do love the tennis, but I think Starfind's got to go for the gymnastics this week, I think. Brilliant, cool. So give this video a like, please. Leave me a comment. Tell me what is your favourite out of those 2. Thumbs up, of course. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. There's a fly buzzing around, little sod. Get out. Anyway, what did I say? Like, subscribe, notification bell. Tell me which one's your favourite. Until the next video, keep looking out for those coins to collect. Back here in all this rubbish, there was 1 more bag hiding. So we're not quite finished yet. You never know. We might find 1 more Olympic. Oh dear. That's funny when that happens. 1 more bag to go. This is the last bag. It's probably just going to be a bust bag, isn't it? Oh dear. Fly's still buzzing around. Bust bag, come on. Yeah. Bust bag, oh well.